So in the last video, we have seen that how to create this members account. Now let's go to the plan auction and price bid. So here we need to publish this group. Here you can see cheat value is 50,000 and installment amount is 10,000. So publish this group and plan the auction. So we need to plan the auction on the time, let's say 12 8. Just save this and I will just refresh this page. So here you can see the auction bid. So for let's say member 1, he is ready to bear the loss, and let's say with the 20,000 he bear the loss and he will get the price of 30,000. So you can see that commission is divided, company commission is 5% on this 50,000 cheat value, and the remaining amount of this 20,000 is the dividend of all the members. So that is divided among the 5 members. So the next installment amount will be deducted from the installment amount. So before doing this auction, we need to do the collection, which I forgot to do. So I will go to the field collection and loan deposit collection list, and here I can search the member member 1. So here you can see member 1 is here. We need to receive the 10,000 installment amount. So you can receive here from cash or bank. So I will just receive all the members account, member 2, member 3, member 4 and member 5. So you can see this collection is very simple. You need to go to the deposit collection list. If I go to the collection report and collection by staff, here you can see, if I click here, the total collection we have done for 5 members is 50,000. Now we can do the auction. So here I will go to the plan auction. So I will click here auction, and the priced member is member 1, and his bid amount is 20,000 and priced is 30,000. Now we need to update the auction. So I will click here update the auction. Yes. So here you can see 100% its auction is done, and priced member details also you can check from here. So 50,000 seat value, price is 30,000, member 1, and company commission is 1,500. So if I go to the member 1 account, member 1, go to the passbook and click on this deposit account. So in the installment tracker you can see, in the installment tracker you can see 10,000 received successfully, and next amount is adjusted with the dividend. So 6,300 will be the next amount. If I go to the transaction, the member dividend is 3,700. So then I will go to the group management and plan auction price bid, and here priced member. So I need to pay by cash or bank, or let's say by bank I will pay the member. So I need to select this member and pay 30,000 to him. So I will just click here and I paid 30,000 to him.